Hi everyone, today I want to talk about the growing problem of obesity around the world. Obesity is a complex and serious health issue that affects millions of people. In fact, according to the World Health Organization, over 650 million people globally are considered obese. That's almost 10% of the world's population. Obesity is defined as having a body mass index, BMI, of 30 or higher. BMI is a simple calculation based on height and weight. The higher the BMI, the higher the risk of health problems such as heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and some types of cancer. The leading causes of obesity include unhealthy diet choices, a sedentary lifestyle, and genetic factors. The rise in obesity rates can be attributed to the availability of cheap, unhealthy food and the decrease in physical activity. In many countries, people are consuming more processed foods that are high in sugar, fat, and salt, and they are spending more time sitting in front of screens instead of engaging in physical activity. The consequences of obesity are far-reaching and costly. In addition to the health problems mentioned earlier, obesity also puts a strain on healthcare systems and the economy. In the United States, for example, the annual medical cost of obesity is estimated to be $147 billion. So, what can be done to address this problem? I am introducing you an Indian version of keto diet. You no need to reduce food quantity, no need to do physical activity except minimal like walking. Indian Keto Diet Plan. It is being followed by thousands of people in India. Many people claim that they lost 30 kilograms within a span of 2 months on this diet, and people recovered from type 2 diabetes, thyroid disorder too. The Indian Keto Diet has two plans: the liquid diet plan and the solid diet plan. Liquid diet plan. This diet suggests training the body to adopt it, and only those who want to lose more weight. Liquid diet recommended for 5-7 days. Both diet plans consist of 4 important pillars as. The only difference in liquid diet is that you take only liquids like below: soup, say veg or non-veg. Pillar 1. Fat diet, 7,100 grams for the 5-7 days to be consumed daily directly. 70 to 100 grams to be proportionate as 10 grams per serve. Only one of them was drunk. The fat foods are 1. Coconut oil, 2. Ghee, 3. Clear butter, 4. Olive oil. So many people said that they could see better results with coconut oil. The quantity should be accurately measured. Make note of this. Pillar 2, 4 liters of water. It is compulsory to intake 4 liters of water daily. Pillar 3, 3 lemons. 3 lemons to be consumed daily as per the diet plan. You can take the lemons mixed with buttermilk, hot water. Pillar 4, multivitamin tablets. Must take multivitamin tablets and fish oil tablets. Take only 1. Only the below-mentioned fats should be used: coconut oil or olive oil, ghee, or butter. Only pure forms of virgin, extra virgin oils and butter should be used. Take only 10 grams of fat at a time, preferably added to soups. If you have planned for a 1-meal plan, make sure to take 2 multivitamins tablets daily, and for 2 meal plans take 1 multivitamin tablet. The solid diet plan. Pillar number 1. Consume 70 to 100 grams fat, coconut/butter/olive oil, per initial 10 days, following days 50 to 70 grams, then 30 to 50 grams. Consume the juice of 3 lemons daily, without sugar. This can be taken with water or very dilute buttermilk. Pillar number 3. Drink 4 liters of water daily. Pillar number 4. Take 2 multivitamin tablets daily. Green tea, black coffee, lemon tea without sugar and honey, veg soup, and non-veg soup can be consumed. The foods which are allowed in this diet are as follows. Number 1. Eggs. Up to 6 eggs daily. Number 2. All non-vegetarian food. 250 grams for women and 300 grams for men per day, can consume chicken, fish, prawns, meat. Number 3. Vegetarians can take paneer, cheese 100 grams per day, also almond, walnut, pistachio each 10 pieces. Number 3. Diabetic patients does not consume pistachio. Number 4. 1 multivitamins tablet in 1, omega-3 fish oil tablet afternoon, evening. For the first 10 days of the program, individuals need to consume 70 to 100 grams fat. After 10 days, consume 50 grams a 70 grams. This means 50 grams direct intake and 20 grams for cooking curries. This weight depends on individual to individual. You can start from 40 grams and increase by 10 grams if you feel weak. Consume a minimum of 4 liters of water in a day. 8. All vegetables except the ones listed below. Note: use only non-refined oil, pure form or virgin or extra virgin oil. Use only rock salts. Below veggies not allowed. 1. Potatoes. 2. Calacasia. 3. Yam. 4. Tapioca. 5. Sweet potato. 6. Beetroot. 7. Plantain. 8. Cluster beans, broad beans, and other legumes. 9. Peas. Other foods to avoid. 1. Rice. 2. Wheat. 3. Cereals. 4. Milk. 5. Yogurt. 6. Honey. 7. Sugar. 8. Coconut water. 9. Tender coconut. 10. Pulses. Follow this diet until you achieve your goal. Come out of these diets by consuming low glycemic index carbs with portion control. Do not consume solids after 7 p.m. Eat 2 solid meals per day interspersed with water and other liquids. Solid diet plan: a single, 2-meal diet plan. 1-meal diet: whatever solid food you take, veg or non-veg, should be consumed only once in a day. You cannot take 12:30 p.m. curry, 2 p.m. almonds, 4 p.m. pistachio and 7 p.m. kira or salad or other solid food. Whatever you plan to eat, should be eaten in one go. Again, just because you are going to eat only once, do not eat just because of the taste. 2-meal diet: whatever solid food you take, veg or non-veg, should be consumed only 2 times in a day. You cannot take 12:30 p.m. curry, 2 p.m. almonds, 4 p.m. pistachio and 7 p.m. again curry etc. or other solid food. Whatever you plan to eat, should eat 2 times a day. Again, always take an omega-3 tablet during afternoon and evening. Important points: eat as much quantity as you want to. Use garlic as much as you can. A broken bar in daily 1 meal/2 meal/3 meal. Medication: all diabetic patients, if their sugar levels are below 350, need to stop the medication from 10th day 1 after checking blood sugar levels. Sugar patients above 350 levels should be on medications till the levels drop below 350 and stop taking insulin immediately after coming down below 350. If you feel alright, please take physician advice. BP: continue to take medicine and use it for 2 weeks. A broken bar: stop medicine 1 day. On the 16th day, reduce dosage, stop based on doctor's advice. If the doctor's advice is not to reduce, do another 2 weeks. A broken bar: stop medicine 1 day and visit doctor again. Based on doctor's advice, reduce the dosage, stop the medication. A broken bar: normally within 6 weeks a broken bar BP will get reduced. Only upon doctor's advice medication should be stopped. Thyroid: continue to use the medication. A broken bar: at the end of the diet. A broken bar: visit the doctor and stop medication. Typically, the thyroid levels will return to normal after 4-6 weeks. Only upon doctor's advice medication should be stopped. Do not take self-decisions. Suggested medical tests to be due before starting diet. A1C,